So I'm Louis de Veron. I'm co-founder of Artha France, which is a company that invented a solution for blind and visually impaired people. Artha France has a software and a hardware, so it's a camera that films the environment, and the image is sent into a belt, and at the back of the belt you have some mechanical impulsion who's going to draw very fastly the image on the back of the user. And what is magic about Artha is that a blind guy who never saw in his life, the information, the tactile information goes into the visual cortex. Our eyes send a lot of information into our brain, and the brain will process and put relief in image. What is great about the 3D printing is that we can rapidly prototype something, because when you invent a new product, you can't start directly with industrialization. It costs too much money. So for the 3D printing, it gives us fastly and vision of our product. And if we do it wrong or we wanted to improve it, it allows us to recreate another version as much as we want. So we use FDM and SLA printing. For prototypes, we use durable plastic like PLA and PNTG, and for functional parts, we opt for flexible and impact-resistant materials like TPU or nylon composites. It's a breakthrough technology.